Hey again strummers, it's Alan here with some quick tip for beginner guitarists, and in this video I'm going to cover the strum pattern that you need to know first. Right, so when you're first starting out, when you're learning your favorite song, you've got your chords going on, you've got a strumming pattern that you have to learn, and quite often that is just way too much information for the brain to handle at once. Okay, so what I always say is get your chords going first. Know the chord progression, know the direction that you've got to go with the chords. And to help you do that, this strum that I'm about to share with you is the easiest way to get that done. And it's the first strum you need to know. Okay, so all you're going to do is, let's say we're playing a G to a D. That's part of the song that you want to play. So I'm just going to go on the pulse of the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And go on through like that. I'm not going to color up the strum pattern just yet until this hand knows exactly what it needs to do, okay? Once that's down, then I can color it up. But like, we can play along with the song just by doing that. And to help you with that, a good song that you could do that on, where it's strum on every pulse, is Robbie Williams's Angels, or Shoot, Talk to Angels, or whatever it's, I can't remember the exact name of it, but I sit away and there's an angel, you know, that one. So, and if that's too hard for you because it's got a lot of chords in it, you can just take this hand, rest it lightly across the strings, don't press down, just get that, and then play along with you. Any song that you're doing, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. Set up a metronome or a drum pattern, keep it slow to begin with, and just strum it on the pulse. And what that does helps you internalize the rhythm that we need to play songs. All right, that's this tip. I'll see you on the next one.